Now that you've got your raised bed filled with the topsoil and compost mix, it's time to plant, the fun part. Traditionally, you would plant in straight rows, and if you want to do that, that's great. And there's a lot of different ways to help you keep your rows straight and make sure everything goes well. Of course, you can always use these dibbles with some string attached, just putting one dibble on each end, making the string nice and tight, so you'll keep your row very straight as you go down. We're going to plant some spinach and create a shallow little furrow all the way down this row, probably a couple inches deep. Then we just plant our seeds into our furrow all the way down the row. You can just gently fill in the furrow with your hands. You can plant from seed or you can plant from transplants. Here we're going to pop in 4 lettuce seedlings, and these, of course, because they're older, are going to need to be spaced a good 6 to 8 inches apart in your bed. This is a real quick way to get a garden all set up without any problems at all. The other nice thing about transplants is that they're a little older, so they're less likely to get devastated by insects or pests that might get into your garden.